Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the background from an image using the Picsart app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Picsart app, then go to the plus icon to open your images, and you can upload images to the app by tapping on the proceed. And here you can choose images from your gallery, and when you upload them, they are going to appear here. Now, to remove the background from an image, you just have to tap on the tools section and go to the free crop. And at the free crop section, as you can see, there are these AI tools that can help you to remove one part of the image. As you can see, I can choose a person, clothes, sky, head, or the background. So if you tap on the background, it's going to remove the background from the image very easily. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.